Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
सभी साथियों को मेरा नमस्कार। साथियों, मैं हूं संदीप कुमार। आज आपके लिए MCQ ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग पार्ट 5 लेकर। साथियों, वीडियो को बिना स्किप करे पूरा देखें ताकि आपको जो जानकारी आप लेना चाहते हैं वो आपको पूरी तरह मिल सके। आइए दोस्तों, स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका, एज अप्लाइड टू स्टीयरिंग द एब्रीवेशन PAS स्टैंड्स फॉर। ऑप्शन है पंप असिस्ट सिस्टम, पावर असिस्ट स्टीयरिंग, प्रेशर असिस्टेड सिस्टम, पावर एक्टिवेटेड स्टीयरिंग। द राइट आंसर इज B, पावर असिस्टेड स्टीयरिंग। एक कोलैप्सिबल स्टीयरिंग कॉलम इज वन विच कोलैप्सिस टू। ऑप्शन है इम्प्रूव सेफ्टी फॉर द ड्राइवर, सिंप्लीफाई इट्स रिमूवल फॉर रिपेयर, डैम्प आउट road vibration, and the right answer is A, improve safety for the driver. Rotary motion of the steering wheel is converted to a reciprocating motion by track rod, track arm, steering box, stub axle, and the right answer is C, steering box. The track rod is connected to the track arm by a kingpin, ball joint, stub axle, universal joint, and the right answer is B, ball joint. Front wheel alignment is adjusted by altering the option है distance between the kingpin, length of the track arm, angle of the track arm, steering box, and the right answer is B, length of the track arm. Question number 6. On a beam axle, the stub axle pivot about A. Kingpin, track rod, ball joint, track arm, and the right answer is A, kingpin. A thickness cable is needed to supply the starter motor because thick insulation is needed, voltage needed, extra strength is needed, motor require a very large current, and the right answer is D. If the battery polarity is reversed on a vehicle fitted with a alternator, the effect will be the fan belt will slip, the cutout will not operate, the light will dimmer, none, and the right answer is B, the cutout will not operate. One person why an alternator produce a higher output than a dynamo is because the alternator is driven slower, has a commutator, is driven faster, generates direct current, and the right answer is C, is driven faster. The electrolyte level in a lead acid battery should be checked periodically. If the level is low, the battery should be topped up with sulfuric acid, diluted acid, clean distilled water, and electrolyte similar. C, clean distilled water. A 12-volt lead acid battery consists of 6 cells in series, 3 cells in series, 6 cells in parallel, 3 cells in parallel. Right answer is A, 6 cells in series. The need to top up a battery at frequent interval indicates that the charging rate is too low, battery is being overloaded, battery is being overcharged. Option D आपका none. Right answer is C, battery is being overcharged. The ability of a battery to supply a current similar to that required by starter motor is tested by a voltmeter scale 0.22 volt, an ammeter scale 0.100 ampere, a wide scale hydrometer, a high rate discharge tester. Right answer is D, a high rate discharge tester. The relative density of the electrolyte in a lead acid battery in 1.280. This value indicates that the battery is half charge, fully charged, fully discharged, none. Right answer is B, fully charged. The electrolyte used in lead acid battery is diluted lead and pure water, distilled water and sulfuric acid, both A and B and D. And the right answer is B, distilled water and sulfuric acid. A fuse is an electric circuit blows as result of a high voltage caused by an open circuit, current flow caused by an open circuit, current flow caused by faults, current flow caused by a short circuit. Right answer is D. A full charge battery has specific gravity of electrolyte 1.028, 1.0028, 1.280, 0.280. Right answer is C, 1.280. Which one of the following item is made of aluminum alloy? Piston, piston ring, crankshaft, connecting rod. Right answer is A, piston. What is the material of connecting rod? Mild steel, cast iron, tool steel, forged steel. And the right answer is D, forged steel. A crankshaft is made by casting, pressing, turning, forging. Right answer is D, forging. Which is not correct related to auto vehicles? 3-wheeler, 5-wheeler, 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler. And the right answer is B, 5-wheeler. Tractor is a CNG vehicle, petrol vehicle, गैस व्हीकल, डीजल व्हीकल. राइट आंसर इज डी, डीजल व्हीकल. इसी के साथ साथियों आज का आपका ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट होता है. आशा करता हूँ सभी को ये वीडियो काफ़ी हद तक पसंद आए. अपने साथियों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें ताकि आपको हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम पर मिलती रहे. इसी के साथ सभी साथियों को मेरा नमस्कार.